Guys, so this is Samwise in the middle there. You can see him in the middle. He's now eating hay like a big boy alongside his uncle and mama. There's Samwise. Hey, Samwise. Hey, baby. What you doing? What you doing? Are you being a big boy? Are you being a big boy? You being a big boy? Yes, you're being a big boy, huh? You being a big boy, yeah? You're eating hay like a big boy now. Yes, you are. You're being a good boy. Yeah, you're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. What a cutie you are. Just like your uncle and your mama. All right, you gotta show everybody how cute you are.